Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best CRF250L Accessories is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for adventure riders and daily commuters alike, significantly boosting the bike's performance, protection, and overall riding enjoyment. This video dives deep into the top accessories available, helping you choose the perfect additions to transform your CRF250L into the ultimate dual sport machine, whether you're tackling challenging trails or navigating city streets. Number 5. CNC Wide Foot Pegs MX. These aren't your average foot pegs. They're designed for superior control and durability, making them perfect for any rider. Made from high-strength 7075 T6 aluminum, they can handle over 600 kilograms of pressure. That's serious durability you can rely on. The stainless steel screw-tooth design gives you ultimate grip and anti-slip control, no matter the conditions. The anodized finish protects them from oxidation and scratches, ensuring they look and perform great for years to come. With a generous 57mm width and 88mm length, these pegs provide a solid and comfortable platform for improved bike handling and rider confidence. They are compatible with a wide range of Honda models, ensuring a perfect fit for your motorcycle. What we like. It's made of high-strength aluminum alloy, providing superior grip and a wide platform for enhanced control. If you prioritize durability and superior rider control in all conditions, this is the perfect choice for you. Its extra-wide design offers superior stability, making it ideal for both on- and off-road adventures. What people say. Direct fit, no modification needed. These will fit the Africa Twin and CRF350L Rally as well. Significantly better than the OEM pegs. I love the color. It matches my 2021 Honda CRF300 Rally. Very easy to install and the grip is amazing. Larger platform, better grip, decent appearance, they ship a few extra pins as replacements. Did not notice any difference in vibration from the stock rubber-covered pegs. Number 4. Xitomer CRF250L Radiator Guard. Enhance your CRF250L style and safeguard its radiator with this robust guard. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your bike's aesthetics. This guard shields your radiator from damage caused by road debris, mud, and dust. Keep your bike running smoothly for years to come. It's precision engineered to fit perfectly on your CRF250L model from 2013 to 2020. A simple and secure installation process. It's crafted from lightweight, high-quality aluminum for optimal heat dissipation. This ensures your engine runs at its peak efficiency. This guard adds a touch of rugged elegance to your motorcycle. It's built to withstand the rigors of the road, protecting your radiator while enhancing its look. With a net thickness of 1.2 mm and a frame thickness of 1.5 mm, it offers substantial protection without adding excessive weight. The pressed aluminum ensures both strength and lightweight design. What we like. This lightweight yet robust guard shields your radiator from damage caused by road debris. If you're looking for reliable protection without adding excessive weight to your bike, this is a great option. It's perfect for riders who frequently encounter challenging road conditions or simply want to keep their radiator in pristine condition. What people say. Easy to mount, looks good and a lot better protection than plastic. Fit stock tank with no issues. Appears to be very solid and should provide great protection. If you're going off-road to need this to protect your radiator from rocks and spills. Will absolutely protect your radiator. Number 3. Xitomer CRF250L Fender Eliminator. This sleek Fender Eliminator gives your CRF250L a clean, modern look. It's designed for a perfect fit and easy installation. It seamlessly integrates with your motorcycle's existing design. It's compatible with a wide range of CRF250L and Rally models. This unit features a bright, integrated LED tail light for enhanced visibility. The red lens provides a sharp, stylish look. It's crafted from high-quality 5083 H112 aluminum alloy for superior strength and durability. The black powder coating ensures a long-lasting finish. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included instructions and hardware. Everything you need is in the box for a quick and easy upgrade. The package includes the Fender Eliminator, LED tail light, all necessary hardware, and easy-to-follow instructions. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This stylish Fender Eliminator features an integrated LED taillight and is constructed from high-quality aluminum. If you want to upgrade your bike's aesthetics and functionality, this is the one for you. The sleek design and bright LED light enhance your motorcycle's look and visibility. What people say. Installation was easy if you can turn a wrench. I'm very happy with the product. Looks and works great, and the mudguard really makes all the difference. I actually installed this on my RPS Hawk 250. Very little modification was needed and it lines up perfectly once you drill the holes into this new bracket. It's very tough as well, seems like it can take a beating. Fit was perfect, looks nice and tidy. Kit came with everything you need to install it correctly, including a make-your-own plug that matches the Honda plug. Couldn't be happier. Number 2. Honda CRF250L Luggage Rack. This rear luggage rack is designed for your Honda CRF250L or CRF250M models from 2012 onwards. It provides extra space for your gear, making your adventures more enjoyable. It's designed for a simple bolt-on installation. No welding or drilling is required. It comes with pre-drilled holes for easy tie-down and top case mounting. This rack significantly increases your motorcycle's luggage carrying capacity. Now you can take more on your rides. It's made from robust steel with a durable powder coat finish. It's built to last and withstand the rigors of the road. We're committed to your satisfaction. Enjoy our lifetime technical support and a 1-year limited warranty for quality-related issues. With its easy installation, increased storage, and robust build, it's the perfect addition to your Honda CRF250L or CRF250M. Get yours today. What we like. This rear luggage rack is easy to install and provides extra cargo space for your adventures. If you need to carry extra gear on your rides, this is a must-have. Its robust construction ensures it can handle your luggage securely, making it perfect for long-distance travel or carrying camping equipment. What people say. Nice sturdy rack that was just what I hoped to get. No complaints and installation was a snap. Strong. Pre-drilled holes in rear rack line up perfectly for Rotopack's fuel tank attachment, which was the reason for purchasing the rear rack. Number 1. GP Kompozit CRF250L 300L Windshield. Experience comfortable riding with our new windshield. It's designed to protect you from wind and debris, making your journey safer and more enjoyable. This windshield significantly reduces wind fatigue, allowing you to focus on the road ahead. Enjoy a more relaxed and pleasant ride. It acts as a shield against insects, stones, and other road debris. Ride with confidence knowing you're better protected. Made from high-quality, scratch and UV-resistant acrylic, it's built to withstand the elements and last for years. Enjoy a worry-free ride. Its transparency ensures an unobstructed view of the road. Safety and clear vision are paramount. It comes with all the necessary brackets and bolts for easy installation. Get it on the road quickly. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you. With GP Kompozit, you're ready for the open road. Safe travels. What we like. This windscreen offers a clear view and protection from the elements. If you're looking for improved comfort and protection during your rides, this is a great choice. Its durable construction and transparent design ensure a safe and enjoyable riding experience. What people say. It mounted up just fine and everything lined up well. It mounted up straight and centered. It is well manufactured, of good quality, and strong. Installed this on a CRF250L and it does exactly what I wanted. Just enough deflection to stop the head buffering without a massive windshield. The wrapping job was amazing. Very well protected. Install was simple. This is a very well designed and quality built windscreen that was made for the Honda CRF250L that uses the same mounting point as the new 2021 Honda CRF300L. This windscreen helps tremendously at eliminating the wind buffeting on the bike at 70 miles per hour to 75 miles per hour on the freeway, which allows you to ride in comfort all day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.